नावेले आर्मीमॅन वोटरांचो इश्यू हायकोर्टात गेल्लो. गोंयच्या मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यान योग्य पद्दतीन व्हेरिफिकेशन करिनासतना 660 जवानांची नांवां नावेली मतदार यादीत घाली. हे इलेक्शन फ्रॉड म्हणून याचिकादारान कोर्टा मुखार आर्ग्युमेंट घाल्लो. कोर्टान मंगळारा याचिकेचो निकाल लायलो.
Navelim constituency, where 660 service voters are registered as general voters in the fag end of the elections by not following the proper procedures. They have enrolled people who have just joined the 3 MTR camp, and they have been given the powers. They have voted in the assembly elections.
मतदार यादी सुचोवण्या खातीर लोकां मुखार उक्ती करूंक ना हे कोर्टान मानून घेवन फिर्यादीची याचिका विचारात घेतली. मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यान 2 सप्तकां भितर हरकतीचेर शहानिशा करची अशें कोर्टान निर्देश दिल्या.
18th of January was the last date for nomination. 19th of January was the roll published final, and we came to know in that. So during that period and 4th of January or till the counting of the date, counting of the votes, no objections will be taken up. So now the court has given a relief. You take up the objection now and immediately take this work on it, and whatever, if it is not done properly, then strike out the names. That is the court order.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.